Hi, in this video we will be reviewing Honda Fit hybrids, specifically the models between 2015 to 2020. This video is ideal for someone looking to buy a Honda Fit and they're interested in the hybrid version. Also, if you currently purchase one or you own one, this video will have a lot of useful tips for you. So watch the entire video. Let me point out first, these tips are geared to the Jamaican market. And why I'm able to give these tips, I specialize in repairing hybrid vehicles. So people call me all the time to get advice on whether to purchase one or if they have an issue. So without further ado, let me get into the tips. Now let me start off. The main reason persons buy a hybrid vehicle is to save money on gas. And in Jamaica, used hybrid vehicles are usually cheaper than the regular one. So as it relates to the Fit hybrid, the hybrid version is usually cheaper than the regular one. Also, it burns much less gas. So what this means, when you purchase a hybrid vehicle, the Fit, you will save money monthly if you do a lot of driving, specifically if you do a lot of driving around town. Reason why I mention around town, hybrids save money when you drive and stop and go. When you go on the highway, the saving is not that much. Now, while the main aim is to save money on gas, the Honda Fit hybrid may not be the most fuel efficient hybrid in its class. However, most persons buy it because of its looks. But if you compare it to other brands, the Honda Fit hybrid gets 30 kilometers to a liter of gas, while other models are much more efficient. Nonetheless, you still will save if you get a Honda Fit hybrid. Another good advantage of getting this model car, the 2014-2015 up, Honda switched to lithium batteries. And what this means, you are less likely to have hybrid battery problems. Now, most of the naysayers in Jamaica will tell you that the reason not to buy a hybrid car is the hybrid battery is expensive. And this may be true to a certain extent. But if you check the amount of money you save on gas, normally after you have the car a year or 2 years, it is much more beneficial than having a regular car. Now, what I must tell you, me, Ian Watson, we specialize in hybrid at Fimi Pro, and a lot of persons carry their car to us to fix. And we have never worked on a 2015 up hybrid. The reason being, they have lithium batteries, and these batteries are much more reliable than the batteries that were used in the previous version, which were the nickel metal hydrates. Now, the lithium batteries will last 10 to 15 years, and we have not seen one fail in Jamaica. Only one car we are noted that was damaged, and it was a result of being flooded in the recent rains that we had. So if you're planning to buy a Honda Fit hybrid, don't be discouraged if you're worried about the battery. Now, what I must point out, you can save at least 30% or more on fuel per month. Now, this can turn out to be a saving of 6,000 or more per month if you purchase 20,000 or more in fuel per month. So if you have the car over a year, you will be saving even if the battery goes or if the battery fails. Now, what you must keep in mind, you cannot get something for nothing. So basically, for the gas savings, you have to have a hybrid battery. But the savings outweigh the cost of the battery. Another frequently asked questions I get about hybrid cars is what to do and how to service it. And I keep on telling customers, you do not need to carry your car to a specialist to service hybrid cars. Any mechanic that is qualified to service the regular one can service the hybrid. It requires the regular oil change, air filter change. Another frequent asked question I ask, what type of oil should you use in the Honda Fit hybrid? Simple. Just get your fitness with the chassis number and carry it to a qualified auto parts store and they will give you the oil that suits your model car. Some will give you the original Honda oil, some may give you AMS oil. As long as the grade is suitable for your car, there is no issue. Now, the only time you need someone to look on the hybrid part possibly is to check the hybrid fan. This needs cleaning, and this doesn't need cleaning often, probably every 2 years or so forth. This depends on the type of driving and where you drive. And this also can be done by a regular mechanic. But what I said before, you don't need a special mechanic to service your Honda Fit hybrid car. If you have any concerns, as always, feel free to contact us at Filming Pro. So when do you need a hybrid specialist like us? Ideally, only need us when you have a hybrid related issue like a hybrid pack failure or inverter, or your fan is damaged, a hybrid fan. And normally a warning is displayed on the dashboard. And you can make any mechanic with a good high quality OBD2 scanner scan it, and they will identify the issue. If you identify the issue as a hybrid problem, then you can come to us. We have hybrid battery packs, we have fans, and much more. Also, we love hybrid and we want to see them on the road, so we do diagnosis for free using high quality scanners. So if you are near to us in Kingston, feel free to contact us and we'll assist you. So we want hybrid owners to have an enjoyable ride and experience with hybrids. If you have any question or concern, feel free to contact us at Filming Pro. The number is displayed right here. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to us on social media and YouTube for more informative videos like this.